गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 2 है व्हाट इज़ अराउंड अस। आज आपको मैं इसकी शॉर्ट नोट्स करवाऊंगी। नंबर 1 है लिथोस्फीयर। द मीनिंग ऑफ मड संस्कृत इज सॉइल। द क्रस्ट ऑफ द अर्थ इज मेड अप ऑफ सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट्स like soil and rocks. This cover is called मृदावरण। एग्जाम्पल है द कवरिंग मेड ऑफ सॉइल, इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड घनावरण, सॉलिड कवरिंग। एक्सपेंशन एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। मृदावरण, the solid covering of the earth covers about 29% of the earth. It is 64 km to 100 km thick. As we go deeper from the surface of this solid cover, the temperature increases owing to the extreme heat in the innermost part of the earth. The rocks within get melted and convert into liquid form. This melted is called magma. When there is no balance between the pressure of the upper crust of the earth and internal heat, the upper crust quakes with earthquake. On troposphere, there are different forms of land like mountains, highlands, plains and valleys. Majority of human life, animal life and vegetation life of the earth is developed in मृदावरण. Usefulness of lithosphere. मृदावरण is the main support of life of man, animals and vegetation. From the crust of मृदावरण only we get mineral oil, water and many other minerals. Number 2 है हाइड्रोस्फीयर. The area of water is more than that of land on the crust of the earth. The lower part of the earth is covered with water. It is called hydrosphere. Expansion and constitution. Hydrosphere is extended on almost 71% on the surface of the earth. The areas having vast amount of water are there are 4 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. All the oceans are connected with one another. The oceans close to the land areas are known as seas, bays, gulfs or straits. Almost 97% water on the earth is in oceans. It is salty. Almost half and a quarter part of water is in the form of snow on poles or on very high mountains like the Himalayas, and some of the water flows in rivers. The amount of potable water is less. Usefulness of hydrosphere. Water for rain is obtained mostly from oceans. From the bottom of oceans, precious chemicals and minerals are obtained. Salt and fish are found from oceans. The waves of oceans have great energy. Electricity can be produced from it. Oceans can also be used as waterways. Number 3, atmosphere. The air cover surrounding the earth is called atmosphere. Expansion and constitution. Atmosphere is spread till 1600 km in the space from the surface of the earth. Atmosphere is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Different gases, stream of water, particles and dust, meteors, particles of salt and subtle insects are dissolved in. Atmosphere has 78.3% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 0.94% of argon, 0.03% of carbon dioxide and other gases like hydrogen, ozone, helium and others gases are stream of water in it. The higher we go from the surface of the earth, the lower is the degree of the gases. Since carbon dioxide is heavier, it keeps in more degree in the lower layer. Ozone gas in atmosphere absorb concentrated ultraviolet rays of the sun and protects the earth from the terrible heat of the sun. There are dust particles in the atmosphere, therefore there is no sudden brightness as soon as the sun rises and no sudden darkness as soon as the sun sets. Usefulness of atmosphere. Gases like oxygen and nitrogen keep bio world live on the earth. Without oxygen, human life or vegetation impossible. Nitrogen dilutes the concentrate of oxygen. Atmosphere affects man's food, race, residence, appearance, economic activities, etc. We can hear sound owing to the medium of atmosphere. With the friction in the atmosphere, celestial objects like meteors burn down, thus atmosphere function as a natural shield for the earth. Biosphere. In the entire solar system, there is life only on the earth. Expansion of constitution. Biosphere includes vegetation, animals, all creatures and insects. We obtain things like food and many other things from biosphere. The living organism in biosphere provide human world variety of food and raw goods. We cannot live without vegetation and animals. Effects of human activities. All large biosphere is the balanced state, but when man disturbs or breaks its system, many problems arise. By exploiting environment, the food chain of nature is endangered. This is harmful to man and environment. Why is there no sudden brightness as soon as the sun rises and not sudden darkness as soon as the sun sets? The rays of the sun get reflected by the particles in atmosphere and fall back on the surface of the earth. Therefore, we can have sunlight owing to these particles. There is no sudden brightness as soon as the sun rises and no sudden darkness as soon as the sun sets. Next question है, ozone gas is the gas that protects the earth. Ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun and saves the earth from the terrible heat of the sun against the rays of the sun. This gas covers the earth like a blanket, thus we can say that it is ozone that protects the earth. Number 3, the development of man owes to lithosphere. Answer है, the surface of the earth is a resort for men. It allows men a place for residing and material for building house. Only on the earth agriculture is possible and man satisfies his needs by growing various crops. Man's economic activities are possible only on lithosphere. Necessary minerals for industries are also obtained from lithosphere. Therefore, it can be said that the development of human civilization owes to lithosphere. Next question number 4 है, oceans provide cheap waterways. There is no expense to be done in the construction of oceanic ways. Ships can move ahead easily either by winds, by tides. There is no transportation Expenditure, there are no maintenance expenses in maintaining waterways. Therefore, it can be said that oceans provide us cheap waterways. Next question number 5 है, if there were no atmosphere, we would not be able to hear sound. Answer है, for the spreading of sound medium is very important. The tiny particles in atmosphere become the medium of broadcasting of sound. No talks interaction can be done in vacuum. So we need atmosphere to carry our sound. We can also have broadcasting of radio or telecasting of TV through atmosphere. We can hear distant sound just within seconds. Therefore, it can be said that if atmosphere were not there, we would not be able to hear sound. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं करवाऊंगी. आज आप इतना ही करना है. आज आपको ये जो किया करवाया वो लर्न करना है और नोटबुक में लिखना है. थैंक यू.